All of you wrote the question number 19 clearly. Shall we move towards the question 20? See, I am reading the question. There are 3 numbers rows of n terms in AP. The sum of n terms S1, S2, S3 and the first term in each row is 1 and common difference is 1, 2, 3. Prove that S1 plus S3 is equal to S2. Long question. Okay. See, actually what is the question is given. There are 3 rows. Just simply I am explaining. 3 rows like S1 and S2, S3. There are 3 rows of AP series and first term in each row is 1. This row A is equal to 1, this row also A is equal to 1 and this row also A is equal to 1. These are the what? Arithmetic progression rows. That means row means what? Line. जो धाड़ी रे ठिया होने की से टाइप रा. This is one row, second row, third row. Okay. So first row रे whatever may be the series, first term is also 1. In second row also the first number is 1. In third row also the first number is 1. Again, but the common difference is different. 80 D is equal to 1, second row D is equal to 2, third row D is equal to 3. बुझ पाइल ना? देखो first row, second row, third row. In first row the A is equal to 1, in second row also A is equal to 1, third row also A is equal to 1. First term, that means A is equal to all the rows, but what is the difference? Common difference. D is equal to for this row 1, for this row 2, for this row T. That means 3. Now we have to prove that S1 plus S3 is equal to 2S2. We have to prove it. What? S1 plus S3 is equal to 2S2. That means first row and third row misale 2 into S2. S2 means cone. These are the sum of the terms. Okay. Let there are another question is given. N terms. That means 80 n terms अच्छी, ए रो रे भी n terms अच्छी, ए रो रे भी n terms अच्छी. We don't know how many numbers, but what are the given terms? A, D, N. Okay, so I am telling there are 3 rows. In first row the number of terms is n, we don't know, but A is equal to 1, D is equal to 1. In the same way S2, this is also second row and this S2 row array, we don't know how many numbers. Like listen, I am a row, this is one row and this is third row. 1, 2, 3. In my row how many numbers are there in my bag? I don't know, but my number is 1. In the same way that row also and my right side row also. This is A and D is equal to 1. In the S2 also same and S3 also same, but difference is listen, all row are having n number of terms, all row are having A is equal to 1, but common difference is different, 1, 2, 3, and we have to prove this. So roughly you all of you write this. Okay. In previous video we have discussed about the concept of question number 20. There are 3 rows and every row having same numbers A and a common difference. That means 1, 2, 3 of 3 rows. First row common difference 1, second row 2 and third row 3, but number of terms same for each rows. Now we will write the explanation of the question. what? Let S1, S2, S3 are 3 rows in AP series. For S1 row, number of terms is equal to n, A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 1, because for every row number of terms same, A also same, but difference is common difference. That means 1, 2, 3. Here find Sn. N by 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. See, we are finding the S1 sum, not Sn, because this is the row 1, naming of the row 1. We have to find the sum of S1 row. That means S1 row रे जो numbers अच्छी से मानकर sum केते होबो फाइंड करछ. n by 2 into A how much? 1 plus n minus 1 D how much? 1. So n by 2 what? 2 plus 2 into 1 2 n minus 1. That means n by 2 minus 1 1, simply n plus 1 plus n 2 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, now once again for S2 row same number of terms common, सब रो रे नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स समान अछि हला. A is equal to केते 1 and D is equal to 2, because for row 2 S2 the common difference is 2. Same S2 इमेज लिख दो ना, sum of S1 sum of S2 कौन अब सेम फॉर्मूला n by 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D. See, same number of times समान. 2 into A कहते हैं 1, n minus 1 D कहते हैं 2, चेंज है ना. n by 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into n 2n minus 2 into 1 2, cancel 2 cancel. So n by 2 into remaining how much? And 2 cancel, that will be n square. So S2 केते आसला n square. Again for S3 row number of terms is equal to n. A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 3, because S1 1, S2 2, S3 3, common difference. So sum of S3 is equal to how much? n by 2 into A plus n minus 1 D. फॉर्मूला सेम, खाली डिफरेंस D है ना. n केते जानने A केते 1, n minus 1 that is 3. Okay, see जो आएगी n by 2 2 into 1 2 plus 3n minus 3. 3 into n minus 3. So n by 2, 2 into minus 3 minus 1. So simply 3n minus 1 like that. Now we have to prove what? S1 plus S3 is equal to 2S2. Now LHS is equal to what? S1 plus S3. S1, what we got? N by 2, n plus 1 plus S3, n by 2, 3n minus 1. Take n by 2 common, n plus 1 plus 3n minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. N by 2, 3n plus 4n, n how much? 4n, because 1 1 cancel ହେଇଗଲା ହେଲେ 3n plus 1 ଅଛି ନା ସେ ଦିଟା ମିଶେଇବା କେତେ ହେବ 4n multiply କର 2 1 2 2 so 2n square 2 into n into n 2n square. Now RHS what? 2s2. 2s2, 2 into s2 n square, that is 2n square. Therefore s1 plus s3 is equal to 2s2. Okay, so 3 rows are there, and for every row a n number of terms are equal, but common difference is difference. So for s1 this, for s2 this, for s3 this, then put the value LHS and RHS, then we prove that this s1 plus s3 is equal to 2s2. Okay, all of you got this point, note it down.